All right, friends. So, what is this that I have here? Raise your hand. What do you see here? What is this that you see here? Share with a friend. What do you think it is? Share with a friend, share with a partner. What do you think this is that Miss Snowden has here in the middle of our floor? All right, back this way. Back this way. All right. What do you think, Jada? What is it that Miss Snowden has here?
A 210 frame.
210 frame? Anyone else agree with her? Who thinks it's something different? All right, what do you think?
10
Okay, it's 110 frame. Yes, as Jada said, we have 210 frames. Well, why do we use 10 frames? Why do we use 10 frames? Why do we use them? Share with your partner. Why do we use 10 frames? All right, back this way. Back this way. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so why do we use 10 frames? Jariah?
So we can count up and count down numbers.
Okay, someone else? Why do we use 10 frames? What can this do for us? Why do we use them?
So we can count, so if we have hard numbers and if we just put circles, instead of a blank.
Okay, so we can, with 10 frames, we can fill them in with circles. Okay, okay. Egypt, you have something to add?
When we get lost out when we don't know what to put in the 10 frames, that's why we have 10 frames to count.
Okay, just in case maybe we can't figure it out on our own, we can begin to use it for a visual, right? Okay, okay. Warren.
That helps you to, if you don't know the number, you can write a 10 frame.
Okay. Well, so let's talk about what we're going to learn today and why we're going to use this. So today, in math, I can identify missing addends using three different word problems. All right, so we are going to work on some word problems. So let's see what we have. All right, so let's look at the first word problem that Ms. Snowden has up here. All eyes are up here. Everyone is paying attention to what's before us. All right, so you all feel like reading today?
Yeah!
All right. So we're going to go right into this first word problem that Ms. Snowden has here on the board. All right, let's get ready to read, friends. Let's read.
There are 12 students in the class. If there are 7 boys in the class, how many girls are there?
All right, so what do we have to find from that problem? What do we have to find?
How many girls are in? How many students are left?
Okay, how many students are there? How many students are left? Okay. So it wants to know, what's the question part of it? What does it say? What's that question where we see they're here?
How many girls are there?
All right, so it wants to know how many what? Girls are there. Good. We're going to use what we have here to kind of work that out, okay? All right, so what do we need first? It said there are 12 students in our class. If there are 7 boys in the class, how many girls are there? So what do we know so far? We know what?
That seven boys.
So we know that there are how many boys, friends?
7.
Are you tracking the speaker? Everyone should be looking at the speaker. Who is the speaker?
Miss Snowden.
All right, all right. Ty, you with us, friend? All right, so we know that, as Sage told us, we know there are 7 boys in the class. So, can I get 7 boys to come be our chips? Come on, 7 boys. Raise your hand. 7 boys, 7 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on up. Wow, did you all see what Miss Snowden just did? How many boys are there total? 7. We really had 7 boys in here. All right, so there. Now, when we fill in our tens frame, do we fill it in this way? What needs to be corrected? What needs to be corrected? No. When we put our chips in our tens frame, do we fill it in this direction?
No.
Who needs to move? Who needs to move? Who? All right. So let's see them move. Let's see if they're going to get in the correct spot. All right. Because we sort of like to fill it in the same way we read, and that's what from?
Left to right.
All right. It starts at the top. All right. So now, so it said there are 7 boys. 7 boys, right? Now, how many are there in all?
12.
How many are there in all?
12.
So we know that there are 12 in all. So how many boys do we have now?
7.
So what do we need to do?
Put 4 girls up.
How many girls?
4.
How do you know that though?
Because
Someone tell me what you're thinking. Sage, tell me what you're thinking when you said that. Explain to us, how did you come up with that? Because again, I still don't even know if it's right. But I want you to explain to us, how do you think we need to add 4 more girls?
Because if you have 12, if this is subtraction problem, if you have 12 and you minus 7, and then you look at your fingers and how many you have left, it's going to be 4.
Okay, now listen to what she said. She said it's what type of problem?
A subtraction.
Okay, so in Sage's mind, she's thinking of it as a what? Subtraction problem. She said that. So what did you subtract, Sage? Tell us that.
I subtracted 7 and I left the 4 up.
So you subtracted 7 and left the 4 up? Okay. So can you show us how that, can you write that in an equation to show us how that looks possibly? Because maybe some more of us are a little confused. Come on up, quickly. Right here. Right here. We're going to have the boys and step over the line. Show us, write that equation so we can see what that looks like. Because there's different ways of doing this, friends, okay? Somebody's mind may be thinking of it one way, and this is where her mind is thinking. Okay, so this is, thank you, Sage. All right, let's tell Sage, good job.
Good job. Good job.
All right, so
Good
this,
job. Good job. O-D-J-O-B. Good job. Good job.
all right, so this is what, we're going to stop it there. This is what Sage's mind is thinking. She said she put what? Read what she had. Read her equation.
12 minus 7 equals 4.
All right, so that's how she came up with her answer. Now, was there anyone thinking differently how we can fill this in? And let's check it. We can check it later, but I want to find out, how can we add on? So is it possible that we can count up to fill this in? Is it possible to count up from 7 boys? And what do we have to stop at?
12.
What do we stop at? If we count up from 7 boys, you too, if we count up from the 7 boys, how many do we have in all?
12.
12. So if we have 7 boys, can we count up?
Yes.
And we have to stop at what number?
12.
Okay. Well, you want to try that way? Let's see what that looks like, friends. Okay. How many boys do we have, friends?
7.
7. So we need to count up. We're going to start from this direction here, okay? All right, here we go. Count, how many do we have?
1.
How many do we have? How many boys?
12.
All right, let's go. Let's start moving up and count up. Go. 7. 8. Count as they come. 8.
11.
I'm sorry. Where are we stopping at, friends? How many do we have in all?
12.
Do we have more than 12 up here? Look at it. Come on, friends. If we have 1 10 already filled in. How many is this? How many back here? If we have a whole 10 frame filled in, how many is this? 10. 10 plus how many more?
2.
How many more?
2.
How many more are here though?
3.
So what do we have? Well, how many do we have in all now?
13.
Okay, should we have 13?
No.
How many should we have, friends?
12.
So how many do we need to delete?
1.
All right. Now, Miss Snowden see something else wrong with this. Can anybody else look at it and find out what Miss Snowden see wrong with this whole arrangement? You know, Phil? Okay, what do you see wrong?
They're not supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be like that.
Go show them where they're supposed to be, Phil. How about that? And why? Why, friends? Why do they need to move over? Someone share with us.
Because that's the way. Because that's the same way we read. So that's the same way they're supposed to line up.
Okay, it's easier. It's somewhat easier that way, right? It helps us to get a certain organization going on when we fill it in from what? How do we fill in our 10 frame? From the
Left to right, top to bottom.
all right. So let's write out now an addition equation, okay? Can we write out an addition equation?
Yeah.
All right, so when we write an addition equation, we have some pieces here. What is this part called? The what?
Whole.
This one is going to be the whole in an addition equation?
Part.
What is it?
Part. Part.
Equal to what?
Whole.
So what are our two parts, friends, for this addition?
7 and 4.
What is it?
7 and 4.
So you tell me the parts are 7 and 4. What does the 7 represent, friends?
The whole.
What does the number 7 represent for this equation?
The whole. The part.
Hmm?
The part.
It is a part, but we have 7 what?
We have 7 people.
7 people?
7 boys.
Who agrees that we have 7 people or 7 boys? If you think we have 7 people, raise your hand. If you think that we have 7 boys, raise your hand. All right, so maybe that's a better term for it. We have 7 boys plus what?
4 girls.
4 what?
9.
Equals how many?
12.
Equals how many?
12.
All right, let's count. So we know we have a whole 10 frames, so we can just count this as what? Do we have to go down counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we count this as?
10.
10.
11. 12.
What's our answer, friends?
12.
12. So the 12 represents what, friends?
The whole.
The whole. How many we have in what?
All.
How many we have in all. Excellent, excellent. Good job, good job. Good